Hey everyone, welcome back to English Elevate. Today's lesson on the present tense. We will learn all four types with clear definition and example. Let's begin. There are four types of present tense. First is simple present tense. The simple present is used for daily habits, routine, universal truth and fact. The structure is subject plus verb का first form plus object. And the example is I wake up early. Second, she drink tea every morning. Second tense is present continuous tense. The present continuous is used for actions happening right now. The structure is subject plus SMR plus verb का ing plus object. And the example is I am studying now. Second, they are playing football. Third tense is present perfect tense. The present perfect is used for actions that have just been completed or whose results are still connected to the present. And the structure is subject plus has, have plus verb ka third form plus object. And the example is I have completed my homework. Second, she has cooked dinner. And the last one is present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous is used when an action has been happening for a specific duration of time. The structure is subject plus has, have plus been plus verb ka ing plus since for. And the example is they have been living here for 5 years. Second, she has been working since morning. Here is the quick revision. Simple present, I write. Present continuous, I am writing. Present perfect, I have written. Present perfect continuous, I have been writing for 2 hours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.